To fix a non-functioning HyperX Cloud Stinger mic, several potential issues should be examined. The first step is to inspect the physical connections, ensuring the microphone jack is securely connected to the correct port on the laptop, and that all other connections, including any extension cables, are firmly plugged in. It's also essential to check the ports for dirt or debris and clean them with a soft brush if necessary. Another possible reason for the mic not working is that it hasn't been configured as the default device. To resolve this, access the control panel, navigate to the hardware and sound section, and select the sound option. Then, choose the recording option. Click on the Show Disabled Devices option. Enable the HyperX Cloud Stinger device, and set it as the default device. Outdated audio drivers can also cause problems. To update the drivers, press the Windows and R buttons. Type Control Panel in the Run dialog box, and press Enter. In the control panel, select Hardware and Sound, then click on the Sound option. Navigate to the Playback section. Select Headphones and choose the Properties option, followed by Change Settings. Click on the Driver tab. Select the Update Driver option, and then click on Update Now to complete the process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a non-functioning HyperX Cloud Stinger mic.